Hi everyone, welcome to California. You're watching Indian Cooking with Suganthi. Today, I'm going to show you how you can prepare your own herbal oil for your hair at home using natural ingredients. I have been using this herbal oil ever since I was a little girl until I got married and came to California. My mom used to make this using all the ingredients available around the house and from her kitchen. The herbs used in this oil stops hair falling and stimulates new growth. Let's look at the ingredients you need. You need hibiscus flowers, preferably dark colors. I'm using red and dark pink. Even if the flowers are a little bit dry, withered, that's fine. You can use that. Some people use dried flowers too. And then you need hibiscus leaves, nicely washed. And fenugreek seeds. Indians use fenugreek seeds almost every day in their cooking. Fenugreek seeds have a lot of health benefits. They're very good for your hair and also keep your scalp cool. And curry leaves. This is the best herb for your hair growth. And this is Indian gooseberry. In Tamil we call it nellika. And I'm using frozen one because I don't get fresh ones in California. All the Indian grocery stores, they carry this. Rosemary. My mom never used it because it was not available in Chennai. So this is optional. And coconut oil. This is going to be our base. In cold weather, coconut oil freezes and becomes like this. Let's put away the coconut oil for now. And these are the ingredients we're going to grind with a little bit of water and grind it into a fine paste. Rosemary. Just use the leaves and throw away the hard stems. And hibiscus flowers, just use your hand to break them. Henna leaves are very good for your hair. And my mother, whenever henna leaves are available, she used to grind the henna leaves also along with these. You can also grind the stems of the curry leaves. Today I'm using about 6 sprigs of curry leaves and 8 hibiscus flowers, about 16 hibiscus leaves, 3 gooseberries, 3/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and about 2 tablespoons of rosemary leaves. For the list of ingredients, please look in the description section below. And the gooseberry, it's frozen, so it's soft, and you can just break it into pieces with your hand. It comes out like that. If you break it open, it splits into pieces like this. Make sure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients I'm using here. Three-quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, vendayam in Tamil, or methi in Hindi. If you have fresh henna leaves, you can add that as well, about a handful. We are going to add a little bit of water and grind everything into a fine paste. Don't add too much water. You just need just enough to grind everything into a fine paste. Next, let's start heating the coconut oil. I'm using 15 ounces of coconut oil, equivalent to 0.44 liter. During warm weather, the coconut oil will be in liquid form. Keep the heat at medium until the oil starts to boil. This is the ground mixture. We are going to add this into the oil and start cooking it at low heat. Turn the heat to low and keep stirring the oil. Keep stirring it so that it will not get burnt in the bottom. The sticks you're seeing Those are the stems of the curry leaves. At the end, I'm going to take them out. From start to finish, you have to cook the oil for about 45 minutes to 1 hour in very low heat, and you have to keep stirring it. You will see the color of the oil turning darker and darker, and when it turns really like dark green, and then we can switch off the stove and cool the oil. Almost done. See how the oil is getting darker? I'm just going to cook it for a few more minutes and turn the stove off, and I will let the oil cool. The stove is off now. I'm letting the oil cool. Okay, this is how the oil should look. It's nice and cool now. I'm going to strain this. Please make sure you're not allergic to this oil by trying it a little bit before you start using this. Please subscribe to my channel Indian Cooking with Suganthi, and please click the bell button also. Please share the video with your friends and family. When the oil is nice and cool, then you can pour it into a bottle and store it nicely. You don't have to keep it in the fridge. You can keep it outside. This is your herbal hair oil using natural ingredients, safe and natural ingredients. You can use this oil as often as you can. Rub it nicely on the scalp and on your hair and leave it as long as you can. At least half an hour to 1 hour is good. And wash the hair really well with shampoo or soap. You should continue to use this oil to see any results. You should use it at least 3 months before you could see any results. Sometimes I use this oil on my hair, on my scalp, and leave it for overnight. Make sure you put a towel on the pillowcase and sleep, otherwise the smell will go onto the pillow. And then wash it in the morning. There are many reasons for hair falling. Number 1 is stress, and number 2 is not eating nutritious food. Number 3 is applying chemicals to your hair, like all kind of hair sprays. And number 4 is applying too much heat to your hair. For example, using hair curlers, and if you're going to use hair dryer, please use the cold air. And also, even while taking shower, when you wash your hair, use real lukewarm water, or if you can, use cold water. That will help also. Washing your hair in hot water will also result in hair falling. In order to have healthy hair, you should have good night's sleep, rest well, and eat well, and avoid any chemicals to your hair and avoid any heat to your hair. I hope you liked the video. I will be back soon with another healthy and interesting video. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.